In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a reminder in Slack step by step. If you use Slack daily for work or team communication, reminders can be extremely helpful, but over time, they can also pile up. Maybe you set a reminder you no longer need, or maybe it already served its purpose and you want to clean things up. Don't worry, deleting a reminder in Slack is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can remove any reminder in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. This can be on the Slack desktop app or in your browser. Either one works the same way. Once you're in Slack, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll see your channels, direct messages, and personal sections. From here, you want to go to your personal space, sometimes referred to as My Space in Slack. This is where Slack keeps items that are specifically tied to you, including saved messages and reminders. Next, in the left sidebar, find and click on the option called Later. This section is very important because Slack stores all of your scheduled reminders here. When you click on Later, you'll see a list of reminders that you've set for yourself, along with the messages or tasks they're linked to. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific reminder that you want to delete. Once you've located the reminder you want to remove, move your cursor over that reminder. You'll notice a small More Actions button, usually shown as 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that More Actions button. This opens a small menu with additional options for that reminder. From this menu, click on Delete Reminder. Slack may ask you to confirm the action depending on your settings. If it does, simply confirm the deletion. As soon as you do that, the reminder will be removed from your Later list and it will no longer notify you. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a reminder in Slack. This process works the same way for any reminder, whether it's a one-time reminder or something you scheduled earlier and no longer need. Deleting old reminders is a great way to stay organized and keep your Slack workspace clean and distraction-free. Before we wrap up, if this video saved you time or helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I regularly post quick and clear tutorials to help you get the most out of popular software tools like Slack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.